In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AutoDS with Alibaba. By the end, you'll know how to source products on Alibaba, import them to AutoDS, optimize your listings, and keep orders running smoothly across your store. First, set up the foundations. Create a buyer account on Alibaba.com so you can browse suppliers and view product details. Then head to AutoDS.com and create your AutoDS account. Inside AutoDS, connect your selling platform, whether that's Shopify, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or another supported channel. This connection lets AutoDS publish products, track inventory, and synchronize price and stock with your store automatically. Next, install the AutoDS Helper Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, log in with your AutoDS credentials. This syncs the extension with your AutoDS account so you can import products directly from Alibaba with a click. Now browse products on Alibaba. Use the search bar to find items you want to sell and filter by category, price, and shipping options. As you compare options, prioritize reliable suppliers by looking for trade assurance and gold supplier badges. Read product pages carefully for minimum order quantities, variant options, and estimated delivery times. If anything is unclear, message the supplier for clarity before you import. When you find a good product, open its page and click the AutoDS Helper icon. Choose Import to AutoDS or Add to Drafts. The extension will pull key details, titles, images, variants, and pricing into your AutoDS dashboard so you don't have to copy and paste information manually. Head to your AutoDS drafts to edit and optimize before publishing. Refine the product title to be clear and searchable, and rewrite the description to highlight benefits, key features, and sizing or compatibility details. Set your selling price with a healthy profit margin that covers marketplace fees, shipping, and potential promotions. Review the images, remove any watermarks, reorder them so the best photo appears first, and add your own lifestyle images if you have them. When everything looks good, click Publish to send the product to your connected store. From there, AutoDS Order Management takes over the heavy lifting. When an order comes in, you'll see it in your AutoDS Orders view. Depending on your settings, AutoDS can help automate ordering from the supplier, sync tracking numbers, and update order statuses back to your store. Always verify the correct variant and shipping method before confirming fulfillment. Finally, monitor and adjust. Keep an eye on pricing, stock changes, and product performance. If sales dip, test a new price point, improve images, or fine-tune the description. Watch supplier reliability and swap sources if stock or delivery times change. With these habits, your AutoDS and Alibaba workflow stays efficient and profitable.